Egypt, a land of ancient wonders and natural beauty, captivates the imagination. This ancient civilization, with its rich history and stunning landscapes, has been a source of fascination for centuries. From the moment you set foot in this enchanting country, you are transported back in time to an era of pharaohs, pyramids, and timeless beauty. From the towering pyramids to the flowing Nile River, Egypt's landmarks are a testament to human ingenuity and the passage of time. The pyramids, standing tall against the backdrop of the desert, are a marvel of ancient engineering. The Nile, the lifeblood of Egypt, has nurtured civilizations for millennia, providing sustenance and inspiration. Egypt offers a visual feast for travelers. Imagine walking in the footsteps of ancient kings and queens, exploring the grand structures they left behind. Picture yourself sailing down the Nile, witnessing the daily life of locals who have lived along its banks for generations. The sights, sounds, and smells of Egypt create an immersive experience that is both exhilarating and humbling. Explore the vast desert landscapes, marvel at ancient temples, and feel the weight of history as you stand in places where great civilizations once thrived. The deserts of Egypt are not just barren wastelands, they are filled with stories waiting to be discovered. The temples, with their intricate carvings and towering columns, are a testament to the artistic and architectural prowess of the ancient Egyptians, and dive into the vibrant coral reefs of the Red Sea. Beneath the surface of these crystal-clear waters lies a world teeming with life. The Red Sea is a paradise for divers and snorkelers, offering a glimpse into an underwater realm filled with colorful coral formations and exotic marine species. It's a stark contrast to the arid landscapes above, showcasing the diverse beauty of Egypt. Join us as we journey through some of Egypt's most breathtaking scenery. From the iconic Pyramids of Giza to the serene waters of the Nile and the vibrant underwater world of the Red Sea, our adventure will take you to the heart of this extraordinary country. Each location tells a story, each landscape offers a new perspective, and each moment is a chance to connect with the past and present of Egypt. Egypt's beauty lies in its diversity. The country seamlessly blends ancient history with stunning natural landscapes. In one moment, you can be exploring the ruins of an ancient temple, and in the next, you can be wandering through a bustling modern city. This juxtaposition of old and new creates a unique atmosphere that is both timeless and contemporary. The country seamlessly blends ancient history with stunning natural landscapes. The rolling hills and fertile valleys of the Egyptian countryside are a stark contrast to the arid deserts and bustling cities. This diversity in landscapes offers something for every traveler, whether you're seeking adventure, relaxation, or a deeper understanding of history. Prepare to be amazed by the sheer scale and grandeur of Egypt's scenic wonders. The towering pyramids, the expansive deserts, and the ancient ruins all contribute to a sense of awe and wonder. These landmarks are not just tourist attractions. They are symbols of a civilization that has stood the test of time, inspiring generations with their beauty and mystery. Let us be your guide as we uncover the hidden gems and iconic landmarks of this extraordinary country. Beyond the well-known sights, Egypt is home to countless lesser-known treasures waiting to be discovered. From hidden temples tucked away in remote locations, to ancient ruins that have yet to reveal all their secrets, there is always something new to explore in Egypt, and iconic landmarks of this extraordinary country. The Sphinx, with its enigmatic gaze, and the majestic temples of Abu Simbel are just a few of the many wonders that await you. Each landmark has its own story, its own significance, and together they create a tapestry of history and culture that is uniquely Egyptian. Join us on this journey and experience the magic of Egypt for yourself. The Nile River, the lifeblood of Egypt, flows majestically through the country. Cruising along the Nile is an unforgettable experience. The riverbanks are dotted with ancient temples, lush green fields, and traditional villages. Witness the daily life of the Egyptian people as you sail by. See children playing on the banks, fishermen casting their nets, and farmers tending to their crops. The Nile River offers a unique perspective on the heart and soul of Egypt. No trip to Egypt is complete without a visit to the Pyramids of Giza. These ancient wonders of the world are a testament to the ingenuity and architectural prowess of the ancient Egyptians. Stand in awe of the Great Pyramid of Giza, the oldest and largest of the three pyramids. Explore the surrounding complex, including the Sphinx. a mythical creature with the body of a lion and the head of a human. The Pyramids of Giza are a must-see destination that will leave a lasting impression. Venture into the Valley of the Kings, a hidden necropolis where pharaohs were laid to rest. This ancient burial ground, nestled in the heart of the desert, has been a silent witness to the grandeur and mystery of ancient Egypt for millennia. The Valley of the Kings is not just a place, it's a journey back in time, where the sands whisper secrets of the past. Discover the elaborately decorated tombs of rulers like Tutankhamun, Ramses II, and Seti I. Each tomb tells a unique story, etched in stone and painted in vibrant colors. Tutankhamun's tomb, with its treasure trove of artifacts, offers a glimpse into the opulence of a young pharaoh's life. Ramses II's tomb, adorned with intricate carvings, speaks of a ruler's might and legacy. Seti I's tomb, with its exquisite wall paintings, reveals the artistry and spiritual beliefs of the time. The tombs are adorned with intricate hieroglyphics and vibrant paintings that offer a glimpse into the afterlife beliefs of the ancient Egyptians. These symbols and images were not mere decorations, they were a guide for the pharaoh's souls, ensuring safe passage to the afterlife. The hieroglyphics tell tales of gods and goddesses, of battles and victories, of life and death. The paintings, with their vivid colors still intact after thousands of years, depict scenes of daily life, religious rituals, and the journey to the afterlife. The Valley of the Kings is a place of mystery and wonder. As the sun rises over the desert, casting long shadows over the tombs, one can't help but feel a sense of awe. The valley, with its rugged terrain and hidden entrances, has an almost otherworldly quality. It's a place where history and legend intertwine, where the past comes alive in the present. As you explore these ancient burial chambers, you'll feel a sense of awe and reverence for the pharaohs who ruled Egypt thousands of years ago. Walking through the dimly lit corridors, you can almost hear the echoes of the past. The air is thick with history, and every corner holds a story waiting to be discovered. The experience is both humbling and exhilarating, a reminder of the incredible achievements of a civilization that has fascinated the world for centuries. The Valley of the Kings is not just a destination, it's a journey into the heart of ancient Egypt. Section 5. The White Desert, an otherworldly landscape. Escape to the White Desert, a surreal landscape of chalk rock formations that resemble giant mushrooms. These formations, sculpted by the forces of nature, create an almost alien environment that feels like stepping onto another planet. The shapes and sizes of these rocks are so unique that they spark the imagination, making you wonder about the geological processes that formed them. The White Desert gets its name from the blindingly white color of the rock formations, which have been sculpted by wind and sand over millions of years. This natural artistry is a testament to the power of erosion and the passage of time. The stark whiteness of the rocks contrasts sharply with the deep blue sky, creating a visual spectacle that is both mesmerizing and surreal. As you walk through this landscape, you can almost feel the ancient winds that shape these formations, whispering stories of the past. Camp under the stars and witness the magical transformation of the desert as the sun sets, casting long shadows and painting the rocks in hues of orange, pink, and purple. The White Desert is not just a place to visit during the day, it offers a completely different experience at night. As the sun dips below the horizon, the sky explodes in a riot of colors, and the white rocks take on a warm glow. When night falls, the desert becomes a stargazer's dream. The lack of light pollution means the stars shine brightly, creating a celestial canopy that is awe-inspiring. Imagine sitting by a campfire, the cool desert breeze on your face, and the Milky Way stretching out above you. It's a moment of pure magic and tranquility. The White Desert is a photographer's paradise and a truly unforgettable experience. Every angle offers a new perspective, and every moment brings a new play of light and shadow. Whether you're an amateur with a smartphone or a professional with a DSLR, the White Desert provides endless opportunities to capture stunning images. The unique formations, the vibrant sunsets, and the star-filled nights make it a dream destination for anyone passionate about photography. But beyond the lens, the White Desert leaves an indelible mark on your soul. It's a place where nature's artistry is on full display, and where you can find a deep connection with the earth and the cosmos. So pack your bags, bring your camera, and get ready to be enchanted by the otherworldly beauty of the White Desert. Section 6. The Sinai Peninsula, where mountains meet the sea. Explore the Sinai Peninsula, a triangular peninsula that connects Africa and Asia. The Sinai is home to Mount Sinai, where Moses is said to have received the Ten Commandments. Hike to the summit of Mount Sinai for breathtaking views of the surrounding desert and the Red Sea. Relax on the pristine beaches of Sharm el-Sheikh or Dahab, renowned for their crystal-clear waters and vibrant coral reefs. The Sinai Peninsula offers a perfect blend of adventure and relaxation. Section 7. The Red Sea Riviera, a diver's paradise. Dive into the underwater world of the Red Sea Riviera, home to some of the most spectacular coral reefs on the planet. The Red Sea is renowned for its exceptional visibility and diverse marine life. Swim alongside colorful fish, graceful rays, and even sharks. Whether you're an experienced diver or a first-timer, the Red Sea Riviera has something for everyone. Explore shipwrecks, discover hidden coves, and marvel at the beauty of this underwater paradise. Section 8. The Black Desert, a volcanic wonderland. Discover the Black Desert, a stark and surreal landscape of black volcanic rock. The Black Desert gets its name from the volcanic hills that dot the landscape, which are covered in black volcanic rock. Climb to the top of a volcanic hill for panoramic views of the surrounding desert. The Black Desert is a unique and otherworldly destination that will leave a lasting impression. Section 9. Explore the world with us. We hope you've enjoyed this journey through Egypt's most breathtaking scenery. From the ancient wonders of the pyramids to the natural beauty of the Red Sea, Egypt has something to offer every traveler. Now, we want to hear from you. Which part of the world should we explore next? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to follow us for more travel inspiration and stunning photography from around the globe. Happy travels!